Hi there guys, so in this video we're just gonna talk about the reversal patterns. Reversal patterns are alerts from the market shouting, pay attention to me, I'm about to reverse. So your job is to take the advantage that the market is telling you. We will focus on four patterns: double top, double bottom, bearish head and shoulders, and bullish head and shoulders. The easy way to spot these patterns is to identify double tops as the forming the shape of a letter M, and double bottoms as the letter W. A head and shoulder patterns looks like a person's head and shoulders. So this is just the basic understanding of the common reversals patterns and what reversal is all about. So we will take a look now in the chart. So if you guys take notes from this theory that I was just showing right now, I'm just gonna show you the next slide. So here we could see the common reversal patterns. Here on the left hand side, guys, what you guys can see is that we have the common double top. First price bounce into it, then reverse, then bounce back into in this the reason, and then respect it, and there we can see we have a decline. Then we can see we have our common double bottom. Price create this reason, price continue to the upside, bounce back to our previous area of support, and continue to the upside. So this is our double bottom. Here we can see we have our third common reversal pattern, and this is most likely what we will see to look out for reversals once we're trying to take the market to the downside. So here we can see we have our first reason, price come to the downside, break out this area, didn't respect this previous market structure, but come to the downside and then respect this previous area of a resistance and volatility zone, and then continue to the downside. So then we have what it calls the bullish head and shoulders, also inverted head and shoulders. Here we can see price come to the downside, price run to the upside, break this previous structure lows, and then continue to the upside, and then this previous structure act as a level of support, and then we can see price continue to the upside. So this is one common head and shoulders pattern, inverted head and shoulders patterns. So this is the four simple reversal patterns that we will look now on the chart, so you guys can understand what this pattern is all about and where this pattern is most commonly taking place. So what I like I always say, guys, it's not about where, it's not about the pattern itself, but it's all about where the pattern is taking place. So let's take a look now on the